guys, we got a little bit of a different video today. I was supposed to be getting the white 244 in the garage, but we're going to do something a little different. We had some storms. All right, and I got some trees lining my driveway here, and there's one tree I don't trust, but it's completely cracked all the way down to probably about right here. I could see the crack. I thought it was gonna break here. Got the cars moved. There's the 244, got it started. It took a little bit of work, but I got it going. The reverse lockout was kind of foobarred, but I got it to work. So, and we're gonna take this tree out right here. I got about an hour to cut it down because I gotta head out here in a little bit. So I'm gonna set the camera up and get this done. I'm not gonna get it all cleaned up. I'm just gonna get it cut down so I don't have to worry about it. I can clean it up another day. Got the chainsaw fixed. It needed a new bar. The sprocket at the end of the bar was seized up. I broke it loose once and got the chainsaw running again briefly, but it seized right back up. So I just got a new bar, new chain. Should cut like butter now. Guys, I got the 244 running, warming up. She don't run that great. It's kind of noisy. Water pump squeals. It needs some work, but gonna pull her in. Good guys. I can even back it up a little bit. Here we go. This is the 82 244 GLT Turbo with this one has the intercooler and boost controller package on it. I think it was called the IBC package. Somebody let me know if I'm wrong. Pretty sure it's called the IBC, intercooler boost controller. I stands for intercooler, BC boost controller. So you see it's got the intercooler. I I don't know how many of these got the earlier turbos got the IBC package. I know on my wagon out there that's I'm pretty sure that came standard in 85, that package. So let me know if I'm wrong, guys. I'm pretty sure that's correct though. Who knows, I could be wrong. I've definitely been wrong in the past. I disconnected the battery when I pulled it in here, and then I went outside, did a few things. I came back in, it smelled like fuel, very strong in here. So just to be safe, disconnect the battery, you know, no sparks or anything. I'm gonna go through everything, guys. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna pull the spark plugs out. I'm gonna do a compression test on this thing. I wanna make sure it's got good compression. When I first got it, I got it running. It actually was running really well. So I don't know, it's just from sitting like bad fuel and just, who knows. I'm gonna go through it, we'll get it running right. I'll put some fresh gas in it, go through the fuel system, all that fun stuff. It seems to run all right when you give it a little throttle. Boom, fixed it, looks mint. Perfect, guys. The exterior's in decent shape. Body lines are fairly straight. Nothing's really out of whack. My 740 had way worse body lines than this. The first thing I'm gonna do next video, guys. First thing I'm gonna do a compression check. Make sure the motor's healthy compression wise, and then we're gonna once I know the motor's good, I'm gonna hold off on the mechanicals on it because I know I can fix that stuff pretty fast. And we're gonna go to the inside, and we're gonna take the interior out. Because if I pull this back, you will see, you can't see it really, but the floors are rotted. They are rotted pretty good. Oh, this is wet, that's why, yeah. But right there, like that's rot. I could feel it just flaking off underneath. So I'm gonna take the interior out and see what needs to be replaced. This is a coil from my 740 turbo that I wrecked. So I said, why not just make it work. It's pretty much the same coil, it just has a different connection, so it works. Car runs, it seems to run fine on it, but it has a different connection here for this coil than it does on the distributor cap, so I had to use the wire from the 740. Cool. I have a lens. This lens cracked, but I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna roll it like that until it fails, and then I'll get a new one. Not a new one, but a used one. It's probably gonna need some headlights. Some of these have moisture in them, so I'm probably gonna need some lights. Probably just take them off the wagon. Needs a turbo grill, not worried about that. I kinda like that grill. But yeah, there she is, guys. Thanks for watching. I guess we'll see you next time.